So guys, in today's video, we're going to see what we can hatch from this Kinder Surprise egg. So let's get this cracking opened. We're just going to do a little jump cut. It's quite hard, so I'm going to move it, you guys, to a different position. Okay, let's just do a little cut. So guys, we're going to try to see what we hatch. And I'm probably not going to be able to open this. Open this. Open! I should put this rubbish into them. I don't want myself rubbish. I don't want rubbish, you guys. I don't know if I will open this. I have someone else. I might have to ask Dad to open this. Oh, okay, I'm gonna go ask him to open it, so I'll be 1 second. This, subscribe for part 2 because this video's not gonna be long enough. So bye.